Okay. Never really look at the camera.
And I'm Annie, and this is the birds.
I know it's an awful name, but
You'll see why at the end.
yeah.
The end's the best. Okay, so this is our first.
I did that without looking.
This is our first show, and yeah. We're gonna do a bunch of funny stuff on all of our videos.
Well, we hope it's funny.
Yeah, it would be funny in our opinion, like choking each other to the death. That's pretty funny in our.
Ooh, I just got a shivers. Yeah, and it is about see how cold it is outside.
It's 10:20 in the clock, and outside it is 48 degrees.
It's 48 degrees outside. Don't put it like that. Put it normal. Oh, wait a minute.
That's normal.
There we go.
Okay, so we do all of our videos in place of Emmy's kitchen.
My kitchen. Well, because I have the HP Touch, so we can't really move all these places.
Yeah.
And so, well, your background. So our background is my beautiful kitchen. Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. I don't like this stuff.
But I do. I do like these oranges.
I'm gonna have one after this. We're gonna have one after this. Orange.
Or you drop it.
It explodes and blows up the house. Well.
I might as well just. Okay, so way to be, Annie. Way to be.
Okay. So.
Hold on, move these chairs.
So we're gonna move the chairs. So.
Sit here. Oh.
Okay, I gotta get on my chair to get up there.
Yeah, so
You might know. Okay, let's show them our height. Okay, so I'm really short. I'm in 6th grade, and
This is like impossible for me to get out. I'm in the back lights. And this is me.
she's in 7th grade. She's Emmy.
Stand up.
You can probably still see my shoulders.
Yeah.
Isn't that funny? Now we love our bellies, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, mine's tanner than yours.
Well, it's because it's winter. I gotta put my things down first.
So we're sitting on Emmy's countertop, and I'm also Okay, so Emmy said with her kind of flowers.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Petal flowers? Oh, I thought you said like pedophile, but like petal
I
flowers.
love flowers. I didn't know what they were called.
And this is a macaroni bowl.
Well, I have macaroni in it.
bowl. A macaroni bowl.
You want to smell it?
Whoa. My macaroni bowl.
Mmm, smells
Smell my
delicious.
macaroni bowl.
Smell like
I didn't put it in the wash because, well, I'm doing this, so I see something
What is
that
it?
you guys might want to see. Wait there.
Let's show them what you want them to see.
You guys want to see this? I'm not really sure what it is, but my brother made it. My brother made it in 5th grade.
Oh,
Let's just drop it.
whoops.
You
And you want to see what Emmy made in
want to see what I made in 1st grade?
1st grade? She was in Miss Brunel's class. Miss Brunel's class.
Yeah, come here. I mean, like, aren't they like, mine is so much better because it's already pre-cut, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, this is.
Oh, sorry, that was up.
So this is our first webcam. You're not even
Oh.
in it. Tiffany and Co. Are you okay?
Let's see what's in the box.
Wacky
Let me guess,
Jack.
let me guess. Oh my god, why is this in here?
See that? See that? Oh.
And some other fun stuff.
Fun. Fun. Okay, let's put that away.
Phone.
Unless there's some funny stuff.
Alright,
So,
this is a blue stapler.
well,
And this is barbecue sauce from Portillo's. The best, the best, the best,
It's a happy banana.
See my mom, she cuts like half of a fruit and then she like
Okay, so it's 10:25 now.
oh my god.
Ew, it's all mushy. I dare you to eat it. Okay. So I think that's the end of the webcast.
This is top secret. I can't show this to anybody else but you guys. Well, basically, whatever.
Everyone
Forget
in the
I said
world.
that. This is from the Spice Club.
Salt.
It's got a grinder. Hold on, wait. See, put your hands underneath to it. Okay. You missed.
Okay. Well, that's good. This is the end, so.
This is the end, so
Spread the word.
Oh, we'll give you the bird. That is so lame. But, oh well, we're going to keep doing it because we have absolutely nothing better to do. So,
Okay.
seriously, spread the word because this is...
Yeah. Okay.